Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Welcome back here to another episode with breaking news regarding the DJI Mavic Air 2. So, in today's video we're going to be talking about problems that you might be getting when you update your Mavic Air 2 to the new firmware that was just introduced. But before we get started guys, if you guys want to get an opportunity of winning a free Mavic Air 2, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, and if we're able to get to 1,000 subscribers before September 1st, then we're going to be giving away a Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So guys, make sure you join the Drone Emotion family and you don't miss out on this epic opportunity. So guys, with that out of the way, let's get started with today's video. So guys, I know that DJI has released two different updates in the past week. So the first update, what was optimized was the following. We got a brand new battery icon, which is now pretty nice, pretty neat, which now gives us stats on how much battery we got left before returning to home, how much battery we have before the battery completely dies out, and all the information. So right here on the screen guys is a picture of what that looks like. So that's the new update that was introduced last week, and also we got advanced gimbal settings, where we were able to adjust the smoothness, the pitch, the yaw, which I know that's really not important for most of you guys, as you really don't do very professional job, but I know there's some of you guys that are interested in this, so that was introduced with that update. So that's pretty nice for all of you guys that are interested in getting those real nice and smooth shots with your drone. So that was introduced. So, but I know some of you guys have trouble with this. So what am I talking about? Well, when you update and then you go and fly, I suffer from this myself. I tried taking off, and when I got at about to a height of 100 feet, I think, which is an altitude of 30 meters, unfortunately, the drone wouldn't go up higher. So it would just stay stuck at about 100 feet, it wouldn't go higher. So at 30 meters, it won't go higher. So I was like, what's going on? So I got the how to fix for you guys today. So all you gotta do is pretty simple guys. So land your drone, keep calm, nothing's wrong. So all you gotta do is the following guys. So all you gotta do is log off your DJI Fly account, log off, and then try signing in again, and then you should be good to go. So right here on the screen guys, it's a picture of how you log in and how to sign in. So it's pretty simple for those of you guys that don't know where those things are. Right here on the screen guys. Okay guys, so here are the instructions on how to fix your Mavic Air 2 issue. So we can do this in two different ways. The first one is connect your aircraft and the controller and have them both link up just like you were ready to fly. And then the second option is the following. You can turn off your drone and then turn off the controller and just log off and log in using your phone, and then once you're done, just turn on your aircraft and then your controller, and the issue should be fixed. So right now I'm gonna show you how to fix your issue using the first way. So it really doesn't matter which one you use, as long as you do as you log off and then log in on your account. So let's get started. So on your left hand corner, right in the bottom, you're gonna see right next to the fly button, which is the blue button, then the one on the left which says your profile. You just want to click right there. So click on your profile right there, and then that's going to take you to your stats. So what you want to go, you're gonna go and click where it says adjustment. So on your right hand corner guys, right here, you want to click where it says configuration. So click it right there, and then that's going to take you onto a different menu. So we're gonna have different options right here. So in order to fix your issue, you gotta do the following guys. So right here, just on your left hand corner, just click right here, close session, and then they're gonna lock you off, and then all you gotta do is just go back to the same place and then just log in, and that's pretty much how you fix the issue. Okay guys, so that's gonna be pretty much it on the instructions. So guys, that's how you fix it. So I know some of you guys had trouble with the first update and also with the second update. So if you guys have any trouble regarding your drone won't go higher than 100 feet or 30 meters, that's how you fix the issue. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Those are the instructions on how to fix your drone. Thank you for watching guys, and make sure you subscribe to the channel.